How to download, install, and set up Discord on your PC. Hello everyone, and let's get started. It is quite easy to download, install, and set up the Discord on your PC. For this, let's start by downloading it. For that, open any of your browser and search for Discord. Once you find it, tap on the download section, which is on the second tab. Now tap on download for Windows and the download will start in the download section. It might take a while depending upon the internet connection. This will now download either a zip file or a .exe file for the installation. You just have to double tap on it and it will start updating packages, library and other options and folders required for the Discord application. Once the installation is complete, the setup step is simple. You just have to scan it using your mobile application Discord user credentials, or you could just skip in the username and password to get logged in. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.